Okay, so we've got a speed time graph here. Now, when it was distance along the y-axis, and it was distance and time, now the rate of change of distance against time gives us speed. Now, obviously, the speed is now on the y-axis, so we're looking at what is the speed against time, what's the rate of change, and that's actually going to show us the acceleration. So here, to find out the gradient, I need to find out acceleration. So gradient will give us the acceleration. So let's find out the gradient then. And we know how to do that. So we know that gradient is always for 1 across how many up. So let's just draw a triangle on here. Doesn't matter where. I'm going to pick 2 nice points. I'm going to pick 0 and I'm going to pick 6 just because they're my really nice points. Doesn't have to be there. I could have picked 0 and 2. So how many have I gone across? Well, I've gone 6 across. And how many have I gone up? Well, I've gone from 0 and I've gone to 30. So I've gone 30 up. So that's 6 seconds across is 30 metres per second up. Now, as I said, we need to get that down to 1 across. So I'm going to divide by 6 seconds here. Divide by 6 seconds on this side. 30 divided by 6 is 5 metres per second divided by seconds, so that's going to be metres per second squared. That's where my units come from. So my acceleration here would be 5 metres per second squared.